What's up, guys? So today I made a transition for my video. Take a look. So you might be wondering what the green is for. So I can green screen that background so it's transparent. So we are going to go here and let me show you what it looks like with the green screen effect. Okay, so now you see we have this grid. We can turn it to view. We're going to go to objects, add object, click shape, and then click rectangle. Here we are going to set the width to 1000 and 1000. We got this big block. Wait, what? Oh, wait, I set it to 100. Okay, 1000 by 100, that's enough. And we are going to go to effects. Oh wait, hold on. Before we go to effects, I'm going to set the color to black. I'm going to go to effects, add effect. We're going to scroll down to shutter and click that. So we are going to set this to linear and set the color to green. Here at the beginning, we're going to set the cover to 1. Then we're going to add that and set the cover to 0. So it'll look like this. Okay, and I'm gonna make it look a bit cooler. Okay, yeah, too much. I'm just gonna set it. How about circular out? Yeah, that's nice. Now, I'm gonna go back to objects, shape, rectangle. We're gonna drag this down here and, wait, no, wrong one. And we're going to go down here to appearance and select image. Then you can select an image from your files. I'm going to select my ST logo. I'm gonna make it look a bit smaller. There, like that. And let's see. We're going to go here and set scale to 2, 0. It's like that. Well, actually, we're going to set it to 0, 0. And we're going to go here, add, and this time we're going to set to 2, 0, and 1. So it'll look like this. And then we are going to add another one, but this time we're going to set it to 1, 1, and 1. And yes, that looks very weird. Going to select elastic out and elastic out. Let's see how that looks. Yep, that looks cool. And if you want it to be slower, you can drag that farther back. For me, that's, I guess, a bit too slow. Yeah, that's nice. And now we're going to go to effects, add effect, and add another shutter. We're going to select green again. This time I'm going to set it to radial. Hold on. beginning, we're going to set it to 0, and you want to drag it to the top. Look what will happen if you drag it to the bottom. Well, you could drag it to the bottom if you set it to 0 at the beginning, but it's better if you drag it to the top. So now we are going to go here, add, and add again. This time we're going to set it to 1. So it'll look like this. Now this is what it will look like. You can always adjust the length of this transition. And we're going to set it to 4.5 seconds. So the way you select the length of your video, you go up here to the check mark in the box, and you can type in the seconds. And as I said, I'm going to set it to 4.5. Now this is what it'll look like if it loops. For me, it looks pretty cool. You can always change the picture here, but if you don't have a logo, you can also leave it blank and just make a custom transition. So now if you want to save this project file, you go up here to Files, click Save Project, and then click Download Project File. I am not going to because I already have a pretty good one. And if you want to download your video and get it into your video editor, you go here to the download little sign. I like to keep it in extreme quality, but it'll be a little slower and have a bigger file size. Click Start Video Rendering, and I'm gonna wait. Okay, our video is done rendering. So after it is done, you're going to want to click download your video. I'm not going to because I already have one. For this video, if it's 4.5 seconds, it should take like a minute or two. But if it's a longer one, it will take a longer time. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. That'll help me out a lot. Thanks. See you next time.